I love me some Moroccanoil Root Boost. I'm not even sure this is the right lid, but this I keep on hand all the time. Use it every day. This one's 8.5 ounces. I'm addicted to these Moroccanoil products, especially this Root Booster. This stuff just smells amazeballs. Can't even, right out of the bottle. The scent gives that salon quality feel. Always love the packaging. The spray nozzle, it's still on there. Use it all the time, every day. Fine mist, no clogging. Why I keep going back to this Root Boost, it's really easy. Noticeable lift at the roots. So especially on fine hair, you get that blown out real volume, but you don't have that 80s stiffness kind of feel to it. Lightweight formula, you don't get that crunchy residue. And this Root Boost does control like static. Super soft, touchable, and it still does hold. So would I buy it again? Always. Gonna have to stock up soon, but this is definitely a splurge. But the scent, the results, it makes it feel like a high-end luxury product. And this is really a luxury product. It's my go-to because I really do like that extra body without the teasing or adding in like a bunch of layers. But love this. Highly recommend the Moroccanoil Root Boost.